power delivery organization is really the boots on the ground. So when a storm hits in Alabama, this is the front line of defense. Our line crews are deployed and ready to go with material to repair anything that's been damaged. We are taking years and years of historical weather data and pairing that with historical outage data. So we know our history of where faults have happened over the years. Alabama Power has been investing in our grid infrastructure outage prevention technology. So we have miles and miles of fiber and other connectivity devices along our power lines that are looking and constantly talking back and forth to each other to identify where there might be a fault. This technology reacts without anybody having to take action immediately and identifies the problem and isolates where the trouble is and restores service to as many people as possible outside of that window. You may see that as a blink at your house. You see the lights go off and come right back on. That is our outage prevention technology at work. It is looking for the trouble, rerouting your service, and turning your lights back on if you're outside of the damage area. During extreme weather events, we want to make sure our customers know that we are here for you, whether it's our linemen coming in to restore service and rebuild the power lines, or our engineers in the office watching our technology, using that data in order to inform what decisions are made in order to restore normalcy to our customers. If we had a cell phone number associated with your account, you get text messages from us when we see that your power is out and kind of give you updates along the way. You kind of can gauge expectations of when your power will be restored. Proactively download our app, have your customer information all loaded and ready to go so that if your power does go out, you will immediately begin to get communication from us without you having to do anything. So you don't have to wonder, do they know if my power's out? Are they coming? We will know and you will know.
Within that app, you can view your bill, look at your usage, set alerts, do all the things, right? And then you can also go on our website. We have several new tools and tips available for customers. And some of the tools are really guided experiences. So answer questions about you yourself or your home, and then Alabama Power will give you recommendations on actions that you can take. We have several tools that help customers understand their energy, which is the biggest challenge and opportunity for them to save some money. For instance, everyone thinks lighting is the largest electricity user in your home. It's not. It's your cooling and heating. That makes up around 60% of your energy usage on an annual basis. We look to provide customers with no cost or low cost savings tips and suggestions. On average, customers can save anywhere from 15 to 25% on their annual kilowatt hour usage or electricity usage if they do basic weatherization upgrades to their home. So that's anywhere from caulking and weather stripping doors and windows to attic insulation, crawl space encapsulation, as well as just air sealing your entire home. Those will save you some money, but also make you feel more comfortable. If you haven't already upgraded to LED light bulbs, it is a great thing to do, but you probably already have. My top tip for customers is invest in a smart thermostat and set it and forget it. It used to be turn off the lights, which don't get me wrong, is still important, but that's not saving the money like a thermostat is today. A customer's roadmap to saving energy can include things like low to no cost things, let's say year one, and then you build out a 5 to 10 year plan of how to tackle those higher cost items. So starting in year 3, start planning for those bigger ticket items that will save you a lot of money and make your home more comfortable. So think your heating and cooling system, your water heater, and then insulating your home. Once you tackle those big ticket items, you're set. Alabama Power has 3 new tools on our website for all of our customers. They're Bill Explainer, Rate Advisor, and Energy Assistance. Bill Explainer simply just explains your bill to you. Rate Advisor shows you the options that you have as a residential customer for your rates. Energy Assistance, after a guided personalized questionnaire, gives you the resources and tips and programs available to you as a customer.
We're only doing what is best for our customers and trying to keep them as informed as possible so that they understand the value that we're bringing to them as Alabama Power.